right. You're gonna learn today.
What's up, YouTube? So today we're back on a 2004 Jeep Liberty. Now, the problem we have today is the tensioner pulley has locked up. It is seized. Now, you guys know I've done a bunch of videos on tensioner pulleys. One is probably going to pop up at the top of your screen right now. I've done a lot of videos on tensioner pulleys. Now, the thing is, I try to tell people, make the tensioner pulley part of your maintenance. Sometimes people do, sometimes people don't. But today we are going to replace this one. Now on the Liberty, it's right down here. Now I want to show you guys something. Look at that. See how I came off? Look, this is the pulley, what's left of it. Now for those of you that have never seen a pulley, I'm going to show you what this is supposed to look like. Hold on. YouTube, this and this are the same part. These are the same part. You see the difference now, YouTube? These are the same part. So essentially what happens with these things is over time, the bearings that are in here, like this one and this one, over time the bearings dry out. And at some point in time when it dries out, it's going to lock up. Usually it happens while your vehicle is still running, and what it does, the ending is always a mess, but what it basically does, because it's a little different for each vehicle, sometimes it will do this. So what it did here is somehow held this and just kept spinning until it ground down the whole center. We've also seen in my previous video, which is over the top of the screen, where it just stayed on here, it didn't spin, and the belt kind of chewed its way through it. So we'll show that video. It's going to pop up at the top of your screen. Now, today I'm going to replace it. It's a fairly simple job. Doesn't require much. This is a either 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter, and there's just the one center bolt that holds this. So if you look here, hold on, YouTube. If you look here, you'll see it. So this is where the tensioner pulley is. The bolt that we have to remove is in the middle. Somehow or another, though, the belt did not pop. But I am not going to reuse that belt because it's already been stressed. So we got a new belt and a new pulley. And this is also your idler pulley. So this unit comes together. But they're not all like that. Sometimes you have to get them separately. But we're going to replace all of that. And right in the center, right here, is where the bolt is. So this should not be, let me try to see if I can set this up with one. Hold on. See if I can set this up with one hand. Hold on a second, YouTube. Okay. So we just got to put this on this bolt right there. Break it free. Kind of doing it one hand. I'm trying to make sure the camera is keeping it in frame for you guys. So I'm doing it with one hand. Let me take the ratchet off. Here we go. All right, YouTube. So we have this and we have this. These are the same parts. So let me check something. So yeah, these are the same part. So this is actually all that is left of this. This once looked like that. This is all that's left. You can see how hot it got, where it melted everything. Alright, so now we're going to install the new one, which is, you know, just the reverse of what you just saw me do. Take your bolt, put it back in there, go back down here, get it started by hand. It's a little difficult sometimes, YouTube, because I'm a lefty and I'm doing this one-handed right now. Alright, let me get this thing set up and cut you guys back on. Alright, YouTube, so the tensioner is on. Fits beautifully. Now it's time to replace the belt. Now there's no mechanical fan, so the belt should just pull right on up out of here. There it is. Now the belt still seems to be in good shape. Well, no, it's a little worn out there, but like I said, we do have a new belt. Now if you don't know which way the belt goes, there is always a routing thing on your cars. So there's a big crank at the bottom. This is power steering. This is alternator. This is the AC compressor, and these are the tensioner pulleys, and this is the water pump. Now, the way this works, once you get everything loosely put into position, you're going to need a 9/16 or probably a 14, and you'll have to pull the tensioner in order to be able to fit the belt all the way on. So let's try that. I'm going to drop this down. Whoops. Trying to keep you guys in focus. So we'll drop this down. Right? So according to the chart, I go there, go down, come under. Oh, this is going to be almost impossible. Hold on, YouTube. Let me see. It's going to be almost impossible to film this for you guys, but I'm going to give it an effort. So this will go under the water pump, and then it comes back up to the AC compressor. Now I still have to put it on the crank, so give me 1 second. Let me take you guys down there. Alright, so now then take the belt and put it around the crankshaft pulley, just right here, just like that. Make sure that's on there. It's on the water pump. Here we go. Now we just have to get it on the tensioner, going back up top. Alright, YouTube. Alright, we are on. Belt is nice and tight. Everything is in position. It's time to clean up everything and give it a start. Make sure everything is good. Alright, let me cut you guys back on. Like everything is working beautiful. Everything came out beautiful. Alright, YouTube, that's it for the video. And that is how you change a tensioner assembly on a 2004 Jeep Liberty. All the links are in the comment section below.